Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you this easy, gorgeous spring twist crochet method. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Rattail comb, and let's talk about how the fro is flowing, sis. Okay. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start by sectioning my hair from the front all the way to the back. And I'm just gonna take my hair clip and hold the rest of the hair away because I'm just gonna do a basic corner going all the way to the back, sis. So that's all I'm doing. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this, okay? And if you cannot corner up by yourself, sis, you can actually do the box method. I'm also going to do like another tutorial on this hair using some box, you know, the individual illusion kind of method. But a lot of my sisters were asking me, Tupo, I have cornrows and I just don't know what to do with them. You know, sometimes you have some cornrows that you want to use to wear your wig or whatever, and then the next day you're like, you know what, I'm tired of the wig, I just want to switch it up. Okay, so you can actually do this style. You can order on Amazon and get this spring twist delivered to you. And sister, when I tell you, you're gonna come all the way through too. Okay, I'm going to do this basic corners going all the way to the back, exactly the way I'm doing. And if you guys want to learn how to do your own corners, I have a tutorial on how to do corners by yourself. I know a lot of people are like, girl, how do you corner your hair all the way to the back? It's easy. You can actually do it as well, sis. So you better check that video out once you're done watching this one though, okay? Alright, sis, so once I'm done, you know, doing the corners going all the way to the back, I'm just gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil, mixed with my coconut oil, and make sure my hair is nice and moisturized, sis, because that's what you want to do. First things first, you make sure your hair is nice and moisturized. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using this FREETRESS braid spring twist, and this is in color number 1. It is 18 inches, and I'm using 4 packs. It comes 20 strands in 1 pack, and I'm using 4, so together I'm using 80 strands, sis, and it took me an hour to do. I'm going to show you guys how to install this hair. So I'm using this basic crochet needle. If you have a small loop, don't worry, okay? I'm going to show you guys the technique on how you can rock them, and it is actually very quick. I love this technique right here. So I'm just gonna place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then close it, pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm not gonna let go. I'm going to go into the crochet loop again, and then I'm going to go to the corner of the crochet hair, place it on the hook, close it, and then pull it out. And that's about it, sis. Oh my gosh, how easy is this technique right here? Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to take your crochet needle, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're not going to let it go. You're going to go into the loop again, go all the way to the end of your crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then close it and pull it out. Anyway, but while we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what's juicy. Yes, sis. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys the technique on how you can look like you got a whole full head, but you have them spaced out. That way you don't have too much braids in your hair, you don't have too much twist, but you have them enough that they're looking really nice and legit. They look like, you know, you have a full head of hair, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're going to make sure you have a space in the middle, and then you're going to crochet again. Take your crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then close it, pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm not gonna let go. And then I'm going to go to the corner of the crochet hair, place it on the hook, close it, and then pull it out. So what you're gonna do is you're going to come very close to your hairline, but not way too close that you're trying to break your baby hairs or whatever. We want to make sure these edges are looking legit out in the street, sis, okay? So you want to make sure you come close, but not way too close that you're doing any damage to your natural hair, sis. I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to place your crochet needle in, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it on the hook, close it, and then pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're going to go into the loop again, and then go all the way to the corner of your crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. Today's out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you so much for getting me to 500K. I cannot believe we are here today. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the real MVPs. You already know I am nothing without you. Once you space it out, you're gonna go on top, which is the next corner. You're going to make sure you crochet on that space, okay? So that once you pull them down, they look really nice and neat. They look like, you know, you have a whole full head of hair, but you have them spaced out in a way that, you know, it looks legit, but also you don't wanna have too much hair. Because I used 4 packs. If I wanted to, I was gonna do like 5 packs, but I feel like that's too much. I'm going to show you guys again. You're going to place your crochet needle in, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it on the hook, close it, and then pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're not gonna let it go, and then go all the way to the corner of your crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. This technique right here is going to work every single time. I wanted to show you guys that you don't have to do individual illusion kind of boxes. You can actually use your corners and you are going to come all the way through. Yes! And then when you get to the parting, so I love to wear my hair on the side. You already know I love to wear my hair on the side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to come very close together on the parting side. That way it looks legit. It looks like, you know, they are actually individual twists. Okay, sis? Alright, so now that I'm done, I'm just gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure I lay these baby hairs. And using the brush that I got from Amazon, you already know what it is by now. And I'm going to be using my styling strips just to make sure everything is nice and situated. And baby, when I tell you this crochet twist came all the way through, yes, sis, I am living for this spring twist kind of situation. Let me know if you guys are feeling them. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying them. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style right here. You know me, I cannot give you one style. We're gonna have to be looking cute in the streets in different styles, okay? And I'm gonna give you a half up, half down kind of situation. And it does look realistic, like it is individual kind of twist. You can do a whole lot with this hair, sis, so believe me. So make sure you're giving this a try. Once you get those corners, you can just install this. It took me an hour, both corners and crochet. So it took me an hour to get this beautiful style in. I used 4 packs. Each pack has 20 strands. So together I used 80 strands, sis, okay? Color number 1, it is 18 inches. I am just loving this look right about now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to Amelie, because baby, at this point it is up from here. We are going to be reaching for the skies, sis, okay? Because listen, you believe in it, it is going to happen. And I believe one of these days we are about to get to Amelie, baby. Just imagine a million sisters trying to look cute in the streets, sis. What? We're about to take over. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style. And make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt. Because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!